Hello everyone, my name is Elena Panchan. I have done my advanced diploma course from MTAC. I heard about MTAC last year in 2022 through website, and then I visited over there. I met Pradeep Chef, and he gave us all the information, and this course is really helpful to me. I'm a housewife, but I was very passionate about cooking. So I want to do something new in this course. So I learned about this MJC course. First, I was a little bit scared and I was confused that how I will do it with my two kids, my family, because I want to make the equal balance to it. But then my family also supported me a lot, and MJC staff, mentor, my faculty, they also supported me a lot. And through their help and with the support of my family, I was successfully able to complete this course. So if anyone wants to achieve their dream in cooking, in food business, they can surely come to MTSC and join MTSC, and they can become a good chef or a food critic. They can explore as many as things in food industry.